Are you tired of starting your day in a frenzy, rushing from one task to another, feeling overwhelmed and unproductive? It's time to reclaim your mornings and transform them into a powerful foundation for success. Establishing a productive morning routine requires time and commitment. It's about embracing a new habit that can fuel your long-term growth and success. To get you started on your journey toward productivity, here are 5 tips to create a sustainable routine that becomes second nature. Start small. Incorporate 1 or 2 activities into your morning routine and gradually expand. Building habits takes time, so be patient with yourself. Starting small makes it easier to commit to your routine and establish a solid foundation. Experiment and customize. Tailor your routine to your preferences and goals. Test out different activities to discover what energizes and motivates you. Remember, the goal is to create a routine that resonates with you and helps you start your day on the right foot. Set a schedule and stick to it. Establish a fixed routine and strive to follow it daily to make it seamless in your morning. By creating a schedule and sticking to it, you train your body and mind to anticipate and embrace the structure of your morning routine. Prepare in advance. Organizing your work materials or pre-packing your lunch eliminates the stress of scrambling to find things and frees up valuable time to focus on your routine. Eliminate decision fatigue. Making decisions in the morning can drain your mental energy and overwhelm you. Simplify your mornings by making important decisions ahead of time, like picking out your outfit or creating a to-do list for the next day. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all routine, so experiment, customize, and find what works best for you. Start tomorrow with intention and watch your productivity soar to new heights.